Are we gonna see an XMR do XMR things, or
not today?
Or somebody's is somebody on their period?
All right, let's do it.
I don't know, guys. Why don't you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down on this video if John takes the XMR through here?
Look how soft this is.
John's scared. XMR can't apparently go through the mud. I got a tire tail, an XMR, but he doesn't want to use any of it. Hey guys, welcome to John's Not Off-Road. Oh yeah, dude, this is definitely doable. This is the scouting mission right here, boys. This is where we coerce Ronnie into wrecking his machine. Hey,
we'll tell him there's water over here.
Hey Ronnie, you want to blow a couple diffs?
All right, it's pure pressure at its worst. We're gonna try going through here. Oh, you're carrying it?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
I thought you were riding through.
You. I'm coming in after you.
Oh, okay. All right, let's do it. I don't know where to go from here.
I'm so stuck right now, I can't move.
I don't know where to go from here.
You can't go much further. You can start getting deeper right there.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Oh my god! I keep sinking.
I don't think we're getting out of here. Yeah, I can't go forward or back.
Dude, you're not moving at all. Dude, I sunk up to my knees just walking through here.
Yeah. It's not bad up to here. It's right here is where it gets bad.
Yeah. I'll need Ronnie to come into here. Look at the mud. Yeah, that's thick. Well, if he can get into here and just get me back a bit, then I can drive. It wasn't bad up to here. You there, Ronnie? Okay. Yeah, I was good up until like this spot, so I think you'll be fine. Yeah. So if you stop behind me just like within tiger tail reach, then I think you'll be okay, hopefully. And then sort of ease your way into here because it's just water. Don't come into this mud though. Come forward this way and turn this way. There you go. Okay, now crank your wheel the other way. Crank it hard. Nope, you're gonna have to come this way more forward. You're turning sideways. You gotta come and straighten up this way. You're hitting something right there. Crank your wheel hard that way, yeah, and then back up. Okay. Now you're sitting on something. Let me try and help you. Come my way a bit. Stop. I'm gonna push you back now. No.
Let me go forward again.
Big high center right here, right where my foot is. See how high it is versus how low.
If I can get that way, I'll be okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Careful! I can't back up. Nope. You got to come forward more. Hang on, hang on. I can't move. Okay. Don't hit me because I can't move back. Keep coming if you can. Can you keep coming forward? Yeah, yeah, keep going. Keep going. Hang on. Okay, there you go, there you go. Stop, 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 stop. I can't move. Okay, try and turn your wheel. No, turn your wheel the other way. Other way.
This way?
Yeah, because you need to back up. No, back up. You need to back up straight. Crank it hard.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Trying not to sink up your balls here. You want a soft shackle?
Can you hook this on the front of yours, Ronnie?
Might have to.
Here, stay where you are. Stay where you are. Just get off and do it. Yeah, because you need to stay where you have traction.
If it's easier to have a soft shackle.
Oh, you have one?
Or loop it through.
Yeah, that'll be easier than trying to feed the whole thing through. Just wait till he gives you the shackle there.
Oh, yeah, I need a.
Yeah.
No, that won't work. Oh.
Yeah, well, feed it through your loop first.
Kind of weird. The XMR got stuck in the mud. I'm pretty sure what the sailor got.
Where's my rope? Where's the tiger tail?
The tiger tail's scared. He ran away.
Oh, I'm tangled in it.
Tiger tail wraps you up and then reels you in.
There it is. Oh, that's gonna need a wash. It's gonna need the car wash.
Snug that loop up there, Ronnie. If you can feel this side, Ronnie, you just have to like pull it like this.
Yeah. Good.
And then you can fit the knob through. It's like this. Like penetration. Like, imagine that's John's a noose. This is John's a noose. And this is
A noose.
It gets in there. Like it's actually pretty easy. Because it's so worn in. You know what I mean? And then just snug it off like this, Ron. So you have it.
It's not going through.
Come on, you can do it.
Loosen it up, make the loop bigger. Spread the loop apart. Just spread it.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
All right.
This is all because you guys are pricks. Peer pressure.
Because you don't know how to drive that thing. You know what the problem is?
The driver?
You could have a fucking pristine pair of tear crosses. But you chose, no, I don't want that.
Don't worry, the tear crosses are coming through next. Okay, back up till we snug it up.
Yeah, snug it up, Ronnie. Snug up the John.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, yeah,
Keep going.
good.
Keep going. Okay, stop. Just keep it snug there. Ready? Let's go. Oh, yeah. Yep. Go. Again. There you go, I budged. Do that again.
This was Ronnie's idea.
Yes.
There you go, there you go. There we go. Okay, stop. Stop. Good. Let me unhook.
What's the matter? You with a XMR got a little duty?
Oh, Jesus. Look how deep it is here.
I think in the business we call that balls deep, John.
Look at all this crap. It's ruining my tiger tail.
Tiger tail, you need a new one.
Oh man.
Oh, what's the rope, Ron? Did you take the rope off?
No, not yet. Hey, drag the rope out.
Ronnie the wild child.
Look at this. Friggin' peer pressure.
Be clean, Ronnie.